Shifting focus for now to the hellfire that Gaza is enduring, the Palestinian death toll from the ongoing Israeli attacks on the Gaza Strip has risen to 46,006. Over 100,000 others have been injured in the past 24 hours alone. At least 70 people have been killed, 104 injured in the enclave. Israeli airstrikes on multiple occasions across Gaza on Thursday led to dozens of casualties. One attack targeted a school in the Jabalia area located in northern Gaza. That attack killed 4 people, including a child and a woman. At least 25 others were injured. Another airstrike in central Gaza resulted in the death of 4 people, including 3 children, and left many more injured. But that's not all. The Israel Defense Forces also said dozens of homes ablaze in northern Gaza, igniting widespread fires across several areas. The Palestinian official news agency cited a statement from the United Nations Children's Fund, noting that at least 74 children have been killed in various attacks in Gaza since the beginning of 2025. Ask Israel, and they say that their recent airstrikes have killed several Hamas commanders, saying that these people were responsible for planning and launching attacks against Israel. The hospital located in northern Gaza's Beit Lahia town has also come under heavy gunfire. According to the hospital staff, the medical compound has been the direct target of heavy gunfire from the Israeli army and its quadcopters. This amid a severe shortage of basic supplies. Nurses have told news outlet that such is the situation that there isn't even a drop of water since Wednesday at the hospital. Imagine that. In some cases, the staff have used saline solutions to give the patients something to drink. How heartbreaking, right? Similarly, the World Health Organization reported that Gaza's Al-Awda hospital was critically low on fuel. It is the last functioning hospital in North Gaza, and it is overwhelmed with patients. The hospital is low on fuel and essential medical supplies. The UN Health Agency also saying it has been working to access the hospital to resupply it. However, damaged roads and insufficient facilitation have made safe access impossible. If you thought that the death toll was shocking, a new survey has reported that it may have been grossly undercounted. In fact, a peer-reviewed statistical analysis published in the Lancet Journal on Thursday was conducted by academics at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, Yale University, and other institutions, using a statistical method called capture-recapture analysis. The researchers basically sought to assess the death toll from Israel's air and ground campaign in Gaza between October 2023 and the end of June 2024. For example, up to June 30 last year, the Palestinian Ministry of Health in Hamas-run Gaza reported a death toll of over 37,000. However, the new peer-reviewed study estimates that there were between over 55,000 to 78,000 deaths from traumatic injuries in Gaza by that time. The study's best death toll estimate for Gaza was 64,260. It would mean that the Hamas-run Gaza Health Ministry had underreported the number of deaths to that point by 41%. This is not shocking, as for months it has been reported that the actual death toll could be substantially higher than official statistics. Meanwhile, Israel confirmed that a hostage was found killed in Gaza. He has been identified as Hamza Ziadne, the son of another hostage, Yosef Ziadne, found dead alongside him in an underground tunnel near the southern city of Rafah. The Israeli military saying that their death did not appear to have been recent, and it was not yet clear how they had been killed. The recovery of their bodies comes amid renewed efforts by ceasefire mediators, Qatar, the US, Egypt, to reach a deal to halt the fighting in Gaza and free the remaining Israeli hostages. Months of efforts to bridge the gaps between Israel and Hamas on a ceasefire and hostage release deal have failed to bear fruit. On Thursday, US President Joe Biden said that real progress was being made in the negotiations, but did not elaborate further.
I can, but I'm not sure it's appropriate for now. We're making some real progress. I met with negotiators today. I think there's what's going on right now in Lebanon. We finally have a president. He's a first-rate guy. I spent time on the phone with him today, about 20 minutes to half an hour, what they have planned. They're also working very hard with the Lebanese military, accountable to the Lebanese people, not Hamas, not Hezbollah, not any other group.
But this is not new. For several months now, officials on all sides have repeatedly voiced optimism over a breakthrough, only to see hopes dashed a few days later over new obstacles. Israel and Hamas have leveled seemingly irreconcilable conditions for an agreement. While Hamas has demanded an end to the war and a full Israeli withdrawal from Gaza as part of any deal to release hostages, Israeli leaders have said that they will not end the war before Hamas is destroyed in Gaza.
To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.